Hi, I'm Lizzie from Coven After Hours, and you're watching Hometalk. All right, guys, so the first step in this jumbo Easter egg project is I took these big Easter eggs that I ordered online and took them apart. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna do two nice, light, even coats of spray paint in the colors that I wanna see my eggs. And of course, this project is totally up to you. Okay guys, getting into some of the fun stuff, I have one of my first dry base eggs here. All I've done with this egg for decorating is give it a little random wrap with my green painter's tape because I kind of just want this egg to look like it was dipped in some metallic leafing. So I'm just going to spray paint the section that I've sectioned off with my nice rose gold color that I've used as the base on some of my other pieces. Okay, so for this beautiful coppery rose gold egg, I've decided I'm going to do something really simple and sweet and just tape some stripes into it using just regular old painter's tape. And I'm just going to add as many stripes as I feel like I want to see on it that are going to give it almost like a circus tent sort of look to it. Okay, so just going in with our white spray paint here to get these stripes painted into place. So I can already tell you guys that this black egg is going to be one of my favorites of the eggs I'm doing because I'm going to use my favorite rose gold and gold craft gilding. And I'm just using Martha Stewart's gilding adhesive and my little circular sponge to print some polka dots on my egg. So what we do is we let those polka dots get a little bit tacky, and then we go ahead and attach our gilding adhesive or our gilding material to the tacky polka dots. So I'm gonna go ahead and stamp 2 rows of it. So I'm really excited for this white fresh egg. All I am doing is using my Martha Stewart gilding adhesive, and I'm painting a very kind of organic, speckled, sort of cracked egg look to it. I think it'd be really fun for this beautiful, perfect white egg to have rose gold gilding that makes it just look like it's been cracked and it's recovering with a rose gold color. I think that's really fun. So I'm just taking that adhesive and really just placing it kind of organically wherever I feel like putting it. And then we let it get a little bit tacky for a while before we go ahead and apply the gilding itself. And I am going to go ahead and take my gilding on its wax sheet here and place it over the sections that are becoming tacky. And then we will flake away at the gold gilding that does not need to stay attached after it has dried for about 2 hours. So I will be back with you guys after this has some more gilding on it and some time to dry. All right, guys, because I love this coppery rose gold color of this egg so much, I'm just gonna do a fun little classic Easter egg zigzag pattern on it. I'm not gonna edit this egg too much, so I'm just using my Mod Podge as adhesive here to paint a little zigzag pattern on my egg. And then I'm just gonna use black and gold glitter to enhance that zigzag pattern because I want to kind of tie together the colors of all the eggs we've done so far. So we've done, you know, some black, some gold, some copper and rose gold, and some white. So I'm thinking I'll do black and gold glitter over the zigzag here. Now that I have my cute little glitter zigzags in place, which I love, I am just going to use my regular white acrylic craft paint to do a little bit of extra decorating on here. And all I think I'm gonna do is just give each of these zigzags a nice little white accent zigzag in between. So I'm just gonna be painting really nice thin white lines here in the same shape as these zigzags, just to tie all of the colors we've been working with today together and to kind of just make it look a little more fun and patterned and exciting. Since most of the eggs we did have more of an organic look to them, this one's kind of the one that's going to be the fun kind of accent egg. All right, everyone, now I am just wrapping up with one of my soft bristle brushes removing any loose gilding and leafing from our gorgeous gilded eggs. I adore this slightly cracked, almost marbled looking egg that we did on the white one here. Now that all of our eggs are dry and done, I'm just gonna show you all of our finished products here, and then we're gonna place them around the house as Easter decorations. I can't wait. Okay guys, so here we have all of our finished, totally customized, oversized Easter eggs. So cute for decorating for Easter or for spring, and totally customizable to your own taste. Again, I did this all with just oversized Easter eggs that I found online and mostly craft supply that I already owned at home. You can do these however you like, whatever colors, whatever style you like, totally have fun. I loved this project so much and I'm so excited to decorate with these. Thanks you guys for watching Home Talk. Bye. Mm-hmm.